Yo, what's going on YouTube? It is your boy RonTrades, and we're back here with another trading video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be going over my USDCAD losing setup, and I'm also going to be telling you guys about my new update on my journey and how my psychology is not in the correct place to be trading live funds or taking live challenges. Let's go ahead and first start on my USDCAD loss. So right here, guys, once again here following my rules once again to the T. We had a breaking market structure shift right here. Obviously this dollar has been buying up, so I'm eventually expecting it to, obviously sell off. Obviously today is not a day we're going to do that. So we had a market structure shift here, taking out this immediate term low here. Once this immediate term low was taken out, I waited for price to come back up inside of a fair value gap. I took this one here. Price came back up inside the fair value gap. We had news at 9:45. Which was for the US dollar. Price ran my stop loss at 9:30. And yeah, so we ended up taking about a 2% loss on this setup here, putting me in a big drawdown on my 100K account. I still do have the account, but it's in deep drawdown just because it's literally just psychology. So that's what we're going to be talking about next in the next portion of this video. So like I say, guys, real quick, I did lose this USDCAD setup. Once again, being transparent with you guys and not sitting up here faking it like I'm just some top tier trader. Like I say, guys, I took a L here, but like I say, I took a L, but I follow my rules to the T, so I have no reason to be mad about that. But what I am mad about is my psychology and the way that I'm managing trades and the way that I'm thinking when I'm in trade setups. So let's go ahead and get right into that part of the video, guys. Like I say, man, my psychology is not in the correct proper place to be trading funded challenges, trying to get funded, trying to make consistent profits from a prop firm, or even just trading live profits. My psychology is not there yet. I'm still in the mode of rushing things sometimes, and overkilling, over risking on setups that I feel like are A+ setups, which is something like this right here. This was an A+ setup in my rules. And yeah, I put too much risk on this setup, and it's not just this setup in particular, but it's the previous setups that I've been taking, and it's just that I haven't been using the correct risk management on my setups and things like that, guys. So yeah, I just want to be transparent with you guys and let you guys know about what my psychology is in my journey. Like I say, I am 7 months into trading Forex, learning from ICT and creating my own model. So I'm very proud of everything that I have accomplished in these 7 months. Learning this skill, learning exactly what I'm looking for in the markets, and being confident. But sometimes, guys, like I say, being confident can be a good thing and a bad thing when it comes to trading. Lately, I have been too overconfident in these trade setups. I've been too overconfident, and then just buying challenges and expecting me to pass them in one day, one trade, two trades, going for one shot, one kill, trying to pass challenges in 5 days and things like that. That's just all psychology. It has nothing to do with the charts. It has nothing to do with what season we in with the charts. Nothing to do with it. It's literally all mindset, and that's something I talked about in my 200K phase 2 evaluation video, guys. So like I say, I'm going to be taking a slight break from trading live funds and funded challenges. Now keep in mind, I say I'm taking a slight break from trading live funds and funded challenges and prop firms, things like that. I'm still going to be demoing every single day that I'm on the trades. I am going back to my 9-to-5 job just so I can discipline myself more. I did quit my job 2 months ago because I thought that I was disciplined. I thought that I was ready to take these challenges and become consistently profitable. But reassessing myself now and being honest with myself and being transparent with myself, I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet, and I can be humble and say that I'm not there yet. I will be there very, very soon. I'm gonna go back to my job for about six more months just to get some more savings in my bank account, so I won't have to worry about stressing to pay bills with trading, because that just can force psychology issues also. So, to avoid all that, guys, like I said, I'm going to go back to my 9-to-5 job and get things better with my psychology and discipline. I'm going to use that time really to just grow as a trader, grow more as a person, and understand that this is it's a marathon and not a race, man. Lately I've been rushing things, man. I'm just gonna be honest, guys. I've been rushing a lot of things. I've been rushing trading. I've been trying to force trading to work right now to take care of my current situation in real life. But as you guys know, it does not work like that. It never will work like that. It just doesn't work. The market can give a shit about what you have going on in real life, and I humbly can say that I have truly found that out, that the market can give a damn about what you got going on in real life. It does not care if your mom died, dad died. It doesn't care. It just doesn't. So understanding that, like I said, guys, I'm gonna just take a step, take my foot off the brake right quick, guys, with trading live funds and prop firms. I'm just gonna go back to demo, man, to, like I say, to build my confidence, build my psychology, build my fear of execution. That's another thing too that I've struggled with, is fear of execution. These last 2 months I have missed out. I won't say missed out because the market gives opportunities every day, but in reality I have missed out on a lot of big trades because I've just been trying to get the perfect entry, trying to, you know, get that precise sniper, no drawdown entry, which is something that I did not do, you know, when I first started learning about ICT, when I first started developing my own model. I didn't used to do that. I used to be very confident in taking my trades and living with it. But like I say, ever since I've been taking these prop firm challenges and, you know, trying to scale up in my journey, I felt like I've been trying to get too precise with my entries, which is that has been throwing me off, guys. So yeah, man, just wanted to be real transparent here with my YouTube family. Like I said, I will continue to keep posting videos. I will continue to keep sharing my journey, but it's just going to be demos. So from here on out, I will let you guys know when all my trades are live. But for the most part, all of my trades are probably going to be demo for the next 2-3 months, depending on how I develop with my psychology, how I can learn more about myself and what I like, what I don't like in the markets. How can I get this fear of execution bug out of the way? How can I start controlling my risk better and understand the thing and probabilities and not home runs? These are all things that I need to work on, and I'm very, very aware that I need to work on. Once again, that is fear of execution. Once again, that is just bad psychology in the first place. Trying to get precise entries, trying to get sniper entries, trying to get those no drawdown 1 pip entries. Like, those things have been throwing me off. Other than that, guys, everything else has been amazing in my journey. Like I say, I'm always thankful and always blessed from the universe and the Most High just for even blessing me with this skill. Like I say, guys, I've only been here for about 7 months. I've only been trading 7 months, like legitly the right way. Even though that's not a certain right way, aka, but I have been trading my model. I do have a model that I am 100% confident in, but sometimes I get too confident in it and I make bad decisions that can wipe out an account in literally seconds, or bad decisions that can put my trading career in a downwards trend. Just making bad decisions can literally hurt you in this industry. And I have learned that over the last 2 months. Like I say, guys, I have been full-time over the last 2 months, just trading every single day, trading the New York session. Like I say, I have seen some growth and I have seen some decline, and that's why, like I say, guys, I'm going to stop right here before I overkill too much and take myself out of this game for a long time, because I do not want to do that. Like I say, I actually love trading. You take the money away, I still would trade, just because I love just the scientific, algorithms behind it, reading price, being able to make money from a phone. That always intrigued me. So giving up on trading has never been an option and never will be an option. But like I say, I do need to work on my psychology. I do need to fix the way I think. I do need to fix the just fix me more in real life. It's not really more of the charts. I just need to fix what I have going on in real life, which is psychology. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys are learning from me and not making the mistakes that I am making when it comes to psychology issues, guys. Just over trading sometimes, just putting up too much risk, being too overconfident on a setup to where you think, oh, it has to go this way. Just things like that that's gonna hold you back, and that's holding me back right now. So that's why I say, guys, I'm gonna just take a break from trading live funds and prop firms, and we're just gonna go back to strictly demo and strictly just following our rules to the T and taking our entries. I'm just gonna be back testing and logging my my psychology issues for the next couple months. And yeah, like I say, guys, going into the next year, 2023, once the markets are back moving right, definitely gonna start back doing these prop firm challenges and really take over and really change the narrative of my situation with a better psychology, guys. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. As always, I will stay transparent on this YouTube channel. I feel like I'm one of the most transparent YouTubers, not even the YouTubers, most transparent traders out there. I don't care what other people say. I don't really care about other people's opinions, especially if it's not positive. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, and as always, trade safely.